Alright friends, so our mail carrier just dropped off our next batch of meat birds. I had just got done cleaning this out and I figured we weren't going to get them until tomorrow morning, so I was going to let this kind of air out a little bit before I put new shavings on, but they're here. So I quickly put some cardboard down this time around because last time our waters were spilling and it ended up ruining these floors pretty bad. So I figure I'm going to go ahead and put cardboard down to help protect the floors, put the shavings on top of it, and it will make it a lot easier for me to clean when I am going to be in here cleaning out the poop and everything. So let me go ahead and get the shavings put down. Hubby is filling up the waters with the electrolytes, and we're going to let these baby birds out, count them, and make sure all of them are healthy. Alright friends, so all the chickens are good. We did lose one out of that batch, but out of all that we still have 80 birds in there to put into pasture in about 4 weeks. And of course, with every single time that we get meat birds, we're expected to get a storm tonight. So we will see what tomorrow brings with that storm. We're supposed to get some really heavy wind and a lot of rain. So we will see, but all the birds are good, they're happy, healthy, and they're eating and drinking just fine. Alright friends, so it has been a few days since we brought our older meat chickens out onto pasture, and it is time to go ahead and move this fence down. We have moved it down every single day and we ran out of room. So for tomorrow, we would definitely need to move the fence. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Plus, let me show you what happened to our lovely canopy that was up here. There it is. There it is, right there on the floor. We had a storm come through. We thought we tied this down really well. Nope. Picked it right up, threw it, broke it. There is no saving it. It is done. It has completely snapped and it's got a huge hole right in the middle of it. So there is no salvaging that at all. We are just gonna have to leave the chickens like this because we are getting so much wind, probably for the next month, that it's gonna be pointless to even put up a canopy over here. Here comes wind right now. It's just gonna knock it down no matter what we do. So we're gonna go ahead and move this fence down, and that way the chickens will have more room so we can continue to move them every single day to new pasture. So let's get started. Got done moving them. How are you guys doing?
We just got out of the house for a few minutes. I felt my flip-flops on there, we just ran out the door and got in.
See what our lovely wind is? Yeah. Let them beat you up there. Come on. Beat faster than the chicken.
Get out.
Yeah. I haven't chased the chicken in a while.
Alright friends, so we got them all moved to their new spot, and we'll be doing this rotation probably every 4 days. We'll have to move the fencing line down, that way we can continue on with moving every single day that chicken coop. But they are happy and they are loving the new grass that they've got. And if you saw Miss Pauline stop by with her grandson and her brothers, she is the previous owner of this property, and she and her husband absolutely loved this farm. And so we are so blessed to be able to take over what they had started. she is definitely a good friend and a mentor of mine. She's been growing in Kentucky all of her life, so I get all of my tips and tricks from her on what grows best in this area, because she grew here for 20 years. She grew on this property some amazing vegetables. So she is definitely a dear, dear friend of mine. Alright friends, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.